Hello, everyone. My name is Adam Porter. I'm a senior digital marketing specialist at Enterprise Holdings on the performance marketing team. I'm also a graduate student at Webster University in the Masters of Marketing program. Today, I'd like to take a little bit of time to discuss the difference between marketing analytics and digital analytics, as well as talk to you a little bit about why they're both important in today's business. Let's begin with marketing analytics. Marketing analytics is the use of data to maximize marketing outcomes. It extracts information from company or market data to improve the decision making process for future company decisions. Often, marketing professionals, like myself, act as liaisons between those who make marketing decisions for a firm and those with and who work with and process data. There are three legs of marketing analytics: data, analytics, and visualization. Data can come in many different sources and be in many different formats. It can be quantitative, meaning it uses numbers, or it can be qualitative, meaning it uses words or photos. Sometimes data is ready for analysis, but more commonly it needs to be adjusted. There are three main steps for making data useful for marketing: cleaning, structure, and integration. The first step, cleaning, means adjusting data that's incomplete, inconsistent, or has outliers. You might eliminate records with missing data or use software that predicts the response that was likely given other values. Structuring data means that it needs to be converted and organized into whatever format is best for analysis. You may decide how to process unconventional data like blog posts or reviews. You might need to utilize a standardizing formula or a z score to get a numerical data to align. Finally, integration means combining it with other data sets that offer more insights than each data set does separately. So, for example, if you're on an SEM team like mine, you might want to combine car rental keyword search data with Google Trends with your internal sales information to predict how much revenue your team will generate next year. The second step, analytics, is the use of mathematics to analyze data. Marketing analysts use models to make sense of data, and analytics is typically trying to do one of four things. There's descriptive analytics, which is what happened in the past; diagnostic analytics, which is why did something happen; predictive analytics, what will happen in the future; and prescriptive analytics, which is how can we make our desired outcome happen. And last, we get to visualization, which is communicating your findings from doing analytics in an engaging and an efficient way. This often involves storytelling and the use of data visualization tools like Tableau. For me personally, this is the most important part of the process when I'm trying to influence decision makers at my company. You can have lots of data and accurate math in your analysis, but if you do a poor job of presenting those findings, then they're often overlooked or ignored. Let's switch gears and discuss digital analytics. So, digital analytics is the collection, measurement, analysis, visualization, and interpretation of user behavior on websites and mobile applications. As you can probably imagine, digital analytics often incorporates several of the analytical concepts that we discussed in marketing analytics. The main difference is that these concepts are being applied in a digital perspective. So when customers interact with a firm's digital properties, like their website or their app, they're generally tracked through a cookie on web browser or through a unique URL parameter in the case of an advertisement. These cookies and unique URL parameters are then, analyzed using tools like Adobe or Google Analytics. A large variety of information is gathered, such as time spent on website, referral source, or the user's browser and device. Digital marketers use this information to improve the experience of their digital products and achieve their online goals. So, your company's goal might be to increase the amount of prospects that fill out a lead form and are then contacted by the sales team. Another company's might be to drive sales of their products through e commerce. Using digital analytics, you can not only measure how effective your websites and applications are at achieving these goals, but you can also implement changes to improve performance. For example, you may see that users are abandoning your lead form before completing it, so you need to remove a step, like requiring a phone number. Or perhaps you change the flow of your checkout process to avoid customers abandoning their cart. There are honestly endless possibilities when you have your website properly tagged and you incorporate a powerful A B testing tool. In my position on the paid search team at Enterprise, I use digital analytics to measure the effective of my SEM ads. So I change ad copy, landing pages, and I use customer data that's processed through marketing analytics to drive more conversions. I also use digital analytics to see my channel's performance compared to previous years, and I compare it to other marketing channels like email and programmatic display. And finally, as my boss would say, most importantly, we use digital analytics to effectively manage our return on investment and make sure that our dollars are being spent efficiently. So to conclude, both marketing analytics and digital analytics are important tools that every business should utilize. You can maximize profit through demand curve estimation and price optimization. You can use a linear regression to forecast future sales, or you can calculate your ever sought after customer lifetime value. Digital analytics can help your company measure and improve the performance of your website and track the attribution of your marketing channels. So there's lots and lots of uses. Hopefully this video has inspired you to learn a little bit more about marketing. And if you're interested, feel free to subscribe to my channel to learn a little bit more about marketing related content. Hope you can join me again. Have a great day.